Standard 8 Maths Chapter 15 Area Practice Set 15.3. Okay, here there is figure given in quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 13 centimeter or then DC is 9 and AD is 8. So find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So here we will start by given. What all things are given? See, A, B, C, D is a trapezium. This is a shape, similar shape of trapezium. And side, this AB and DC, side AB is parallel to side DC. So length, we have been given length AB 13 centimeter, length DC 9 centimeter and length AD equals to 8 centimeter. So we have to find out area of this figure. So area of trapezium is equals to half into sum, SUM sum, sum का मतलब होता है एडिशन, sum of length of parallel sides into height. So that is half into एडिशन करना है पैरेलल साइड्स के. सो हाफ इंटू साइड ए बी प्लस जी सी इंटू हाइट. सी ए 90 डिग्री है ना, इसलिए ये हाइट ए डी. सो देन हाफ इंटू ए बी इज हाउ मच 13 and DC is 9 into AD 8. Half into 9 plus 13 22 into 8. So you can cancel 2 ones. इसमें से कोई एक कैंसिल कर सकते हो. तो 2 ones are 2. Either you cancel here 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay. So then 11 8s are 88. So the area of quadrilateral, the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. This is the sums. Second sums, length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are this and this. So यहाँ ऑलरेडी बोल रहे हैं कि ये ट्रेपेजियम है और उसका टू पैरेलल साइड. ट्रेपेजियम लुक्स लाइक दिस. So this side and this side are parallel. So measure दिया हुआ है and respectively and its height, एक perpendicular height है सर. So height is 4.2. So find its area. So directly we will say area of a trapezium. Formula is what? Half into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height. So half into parallel side is this and this. So 8.5 plus 11.5 into height is 4 decimal 2. Then further half into 0.5 1, ये बन गया 9 plus 11 20 and 4.2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20 और 10 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये डेसिमल हट जाएगा. So it will become 42 square centimeter. ओके. वाई स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सी ये वाला हाइट है, इसमें भी सेंटीमीटर, इसमें भी सेंटीमीटर. तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सो या द area of trapezium is 42 square centimeter. Third question, quadrilateral PQRS. Now see, this is PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means this PS is equals to this QR. Then PQ, this much, is 7 centimeter and sec PM is perpendicular to SR. Now SM, this much, is 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 centimeter. Distance मतलब ये height is 4 centimeter. Find area of PQRS. In short यहाँ trapezium दिया है, but to find out area we need height दिया हुआ है and two side we need. So one side is given, other side का सिर्फ this much part is given. ये दिया हुआ नहीं है. So we have to find out first measure of this part and then हम पूरा फिगर का एरिया ढूंढ सकेंगे. So let's see this line is not given, so we have to draw it. That draw QE perpendicular to SR. So first we will write draw QE sec QE perpendicular to sec SR. Okay, so therefore इन क्वाड्रिलेटर, ये नया एक क्वाड्रिलेटर बन गया PQEM. PQEM मेजर एंगल M इक्वल्स टू मेजर एंगल E इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. देयरफॉर क्वाड्रिलेटर PQEM इज अ रेक्टेंगल एंड रेक्टेंगल के ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. सो देयरफॉर ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल. So length PQ is equals to length ME, that is 7. PQ is given 7, so this is also 7. So now this much we have got. We have to find out ER. So let's see how we will find out ER. See, the opposite sides PM and QE is also congruent. रेक्टेंगल के साइड से, सो लेंथ PM एंड QE is also congruent, that is 4 centimeter. So now first in this triangle PMS, in triangle PMS measure angle M is equals to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem से we will find out this hypotenuse. ये एक right angle triangle हुआ, तो right angle triangle में you have one side other side, ये नहीं है. So we will find out hypotenuse. So therefore PS square is equals to PM square plus MS. hypotenuse का formula hypotenuse square one side plus other side. So PS square, यहाँ पे PM is 4 and MS is 3. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So this is 25 PS square. Now this square will come here as a root. 25 is square root of 5. So PS is 5 centimeter. But as we know, this is isosceles trapezium and PS is equals to QR. So we will write PS is equals to QR equal to 5 centimeter. Why? Isosceles trapezium. Now we have this 5 centimeter and this 4 centimeter. We have to find out ER. So in triangle, right angle triangle QER, so in triangle QER measure angle E equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, we will find out QR square is equals to QE square plus ER square. So ER is not given. So ER square, ये जो QE है इधर जाएगा, QR स्क्वायर माइनस QE. ओके, ये नहीं है ना हमारे पास, तो ये यहीं पे रहेगा और ये वाला यहाँ इक्वल टू के इस तरफ. सो यार इट इज़ पॉजिटिव, यहाँ गया तो नेगेटिव. सो देन ER square is equal to QR we have 5 and QE we have 4. So 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So that square root ER square, so that ER square will be 3. So ER equals to 3. Now centimeter. Now see bottom side of trapezium, ये SR कैसे बन रहा है, this plus this plus this. So SR is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 3. So that is equals to 13. So now area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into one side we have 7, second side we just find out 13 centimeter into height is 4. So half into 20 into 4. 2 ones are 2 tens are, then 10 fours are 40. So area of trapezium is 40 square centimeter.